Welcome to Nature Walk. Today we're going to be interviewing Abby, a student from E Block, about making maple syrup. So what's the process for making maple syrup?
Okay, so first you need to find a maple tree. The ideal maple tree is a sugar maple, but you can really do it from any maple tree. And then you need to find a good spot, ideally where the sun is facing or under a big branch or over a tree root and away from any previous holes that have been there. And then you need to drill into the tree about 2 to 2.5 inches. Hammer the spile in, which is the little spout that helps the sap come out of the tree. Hang up the bucket and the lid, and then you're set up to get the sap.
When is a good time of year to tap maple trees?
So ideally you want the weather to be over freezing during the day and below freezing during the night. That way when it freezes during the night, all the sap draws up into the branches and freezes there. And then when it's warmer during the day, it will come back down to the roots, and that's when it'll catch in the spile and go into your bucket.
About how much maple syrup does the E Block class get per year?
Because we only tap one maple tree, we don't get that much. We usually get about a mason jar full of maple syrup.
What's your favorite part about the process?
Definitely the end result, eating the maple syrup. And also when you boil it, the steam that comes out of the pot smells so amazing. So if you sit by it and do your homework, you can enjoy the smell of the steam. Okay, so what we're doing here is we are straining out anything from the sap that we've collected we don't want in there. So that could be wood shavings, bugs, anything you don't really want in your maple syrup. And then boiling that sap that we've now strained to get all the water out, so we're left with the sugar, which will make our thick, sugary syrup that we love to have on our pancakes.